It is a new construction home, so the client was building their dream homes. We helped curate all the finishes, putting together the whole package. The client had a very clear vision of her style. She knew color palette she liked, she loves walnut, she likes black accents, and she loves the color green. So really wanted to make sure that we designed the house that would flow from space to space and every room have a different feeling, but yet was saying the same story. The back of the house, this is really the heart of the home, and they spend all their time back here. So we wanted it to feel cozy. I mean, it isn't a large space, so we had to make sure everything really flowed together back here. We added warmth with these green sofas. We have natural Calcutta in her kitchen with a beautiful natural black granite countertop, just to give a little more interest in movement. And it was important the balance of materials that we used within the built-ins here in the family room, keeping it a little bit darker, bringing a little bit more of the lighter colors in the kitchen. We also have designed a breakfast nook right off of the kitchen. It's got a built-in banquette, and we designed a custom solid walnut table. They do sit here and eat most of their meals, so we want to make sure it was practical, but still beautiful and really elevated. We introduced black in a lot of different areas of the house. So we have the black leather banquette, we've introduced black details in the cabinetry, and also in all the doors. So all of our doors we painted a softer black. You'll see as you go through the house. It tied in with the furniture, it tied in with some of the lighting, and also with the black windows. Right off the kitchen, as you walk into the dining room, there's a beautiful little pantry servery. It's actually the same color that matches the interior doors. But it also is a bar area set up, so it's a nice pass-through when you're walking into the dining room as you're going and serving your guests. My favorite room in the house is the dining room. I love all the different textures and the different finishes. It just feels so sophisticated, but yet it's not stuffy. We looked at a few different options of what we could do for the ceiling, and we painted it this beautiful Sherwin-Williams pewter green, and then we just had a little bit of contrast with a brass ceiling fixture. We designed a custom dining table with beautiful half-cylinder shaped legs. We've done an ebony stain on the outside, brass on the inside, and we just played with the orientation of it. It looks different wherever you're standing, which is nice. This is one of my favorite pieces in this house. It's a custom designed sideboard wrapped in this beautiful vinyl. We have walnut inside, and we have drawers to store all of our clients' servingware for the dining room. And just off the dining room is our client's home office. The principal bedroom, again, we wanted to keep the same color palette that we've created in the main floor and bring it upstairs. We have a black leather headboard that actually our client sourced, and we loved, like, yes, we can work with this. We sourced custom fabrics. We made our own custom pillows for up there and really highlighted the big, beautiful window bench that they have, doing a series of pillows in the different green tones and neutral tones just to help tie everything together. And then as you go into her principal ensuite, we did a beautiful big black vanity with some brass detailing, again, tying in with the rest of the house. And you'll notice in her bathroom shower wall, we have a beautiful chevron tile. It's a mix of Calcutta and actual mother of pearl, just for a little bit of glamour. The powder room, I think, has a lot of drama. We've done a green wall covering on the walls. We have a Calcutta countertop, and we've done this beautiful flower mosaic on the floor. It's a combination of some different marbles and a little brass detail also. I love when a client comes with a direction of what they want. To me, it just makes it more fun because it's more personal. And this house is not like any other house that we've ever designed because it is so specific to our client. As long as you're true, I think, to yourself and to your style, it's gonna be timeless.